Welcome to week 10. So with this week, we will have a discussion. You will finish up assignment number 13, and we are going to review chapter 26, which is congenital abnormalities, and 27, which is perinatal conditions. So a couple of different things I just kind of want to mention this whole week is with doing the mother's chart, the baby's chart, just a couple crazy things that I remember when I was coding is that if we had anybody over the age of 35 who delivered, they were considered elderly and we had to code them elderly. And it's still the same thing today. So I'm sure you find that interesting. And the other thing too, with a baby, if a baby is over 9 pounds, they're considered a big baby. So again, just different kind of fun little facts here that I'm sure you'll run across, during your weeks of coding these units. So with exam 5, once again, make sure you schedule enough time, no distractions, and be ready to do some coding of the mother's chart, the baby's chart. Know where your codes, especially your Z codes. Remember when they're principal diagnosis, remember when they need to be secondary. So remember with that baby chart, usually it's the Z code that's principal diagnosis. And then for the mother's chart, that Z code secondary. So just a couple helpful hints to get you through this week. Prepare for that exam. We're on the downhill slide of the semester. So any questions, let me know.